I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by BITREFILL.com, the easiest way to get living on a Bitcoin standard. Head to their website and pick up gift cards for great places like Amazon, Apple, DoorDash, prepaid MasterCards, and plenty more. You can check them out at the links down below.
I think the culture right now, it plays into the younger generation, and I think when you're younger also, you have a different state of mind, and maybe you have different goals, and if you want to be rich and you plan on being rich, I think a lot of times that isn't synonymous with having a family and raising children. I think it's more synonymous with having a bunch of girlfriends and dating 20-year-olds your whole life. And I think that's kind of what gets pushed out there. In the future, the only way to be wealthy is going to be to offer value. And I mean, I think even if you look at Jay-Z, who's an older rapper, he has one of his latest albums, he talks about like he bought every V12 engine, and he says, I wish I could take it back to the beginning. And he could have bought a property in Dumbo, New York that was like $2 million, and now it was like $20 million, right? So I think it's just a natural thing with age, probably as you get older. And I wonder how many people who have bought in those stupid expensive cars regret it. I mean, imagine all the athletes, all the celebrities, all the rappers, all the people that like spent all of their money. And now they're no longer competing. Like you have a short lifespan in that industry. And it's like, if I just didn't buy that car, and I bought a house instead, because that was the move before Bitcoin, they would be in a much better position. So I think we're going to see that, because even if you're a culturally popular person, but you have all your money in dollars, when the hyperinflation comes, and as it's, everything's getting more expensive, it's just going to melt away. And then maybe there's going to be a few, celebrities that put it in Bitcoin. They're going to be like, hey, I'm fine. I put it in Bitcoin. That's going to be the cool thing. So yeah, the culture is likely going to shift completely. Money is so foundational. And so when you have a broken money, you change the whole world and what's important and what people think is cool. And when you have good money, you change it the same way. Again, in a Bitcoin world, the richest person theoretically will have helped the most people, would have offered the most value. If you start from an even playing field, or you work past the, people who got in earlier or whatever. But that's a great thing, because I think currently people who are rich now, really, really wealthy in terms of dollars in the fiat system, you have to sell your soul. You have to be willing to take advantage of other people. At a minimum, take on massive amounts of loans, which is money creation, which is doing the same thing. So yeah, it's going to be a completely different world when the only way to make money is to offer value and to help people. And how beautiful is that going to be when you're actually rewarded for helping people and being a good person versus rewarded for being willing to sell your soul?